My name is Adam Ayaz. I am 7 years old. I am in the second grade. I live in Şanlıurfa. Nice to meet you.
My name is Emine Ravza. I am 7 years old. I live with my family in Şanlıurfa. I love playing with my friends. I like read books. Nice to meet you.
My name is Ali Faruk. I am 7 years old. I live with my family and Şanlıurfa. I like playing football. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Hira. I am 7 years old. I live in Şanlıurfa. I like painting pictures. Nice to meet you.
Mohammed. I am 7 years old. I like playing football. Nice to meet you.
My name is Bushra. I am 7 years old. I am like playing basketball. I am like reading books.